Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Tecno Camon 18p. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Here try to find Notify Buddy. It should look like this, so select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Move to the next step and grant 3 permissions. Actually 2 in this phone. So overlay permission and notifications permission. Now go back. Last thing is battery optimization, which is optional to disable, and I'm gonna leave it enabled in case the app doesn't work properly on your device. You can go back and disable it. Now let's proceed. From here we can start using the app, and you can see 4 tabs down here. There's a user, in which you can pick any apps to allow them for a custom LED lamp notifications. There's a system, in which you can select any system apps. There's active. Here you can see all apps that you've just activated, and also a settings. And now we can change anything about our LED lamp, like a size, a shape, placement on the screen. Now click on the test button, and here we can find our LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.